How to recover Facebook password in Facebook Lite. Hey everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can recover your password in Facebook Lite very easily. So for that, you need to have your Facebook Lite installed in your device. After installing it, just open. And here you can see the bunch of accounts I have. You may just click on the account you have, or you may just tap on the other option, login into another account. Just tap on it. After that, you can see the forgotten password option under login. Just tap on it and then either enter your mobile number or search by email address. And instead, I have Facebook account created by email address, so I'm gonna type my email address here and tap on continue. After that, you can see here a bunch of accounts that I have linked with my email. I'm gonna tap on this one. After that, you'll receive an email with a code. Just enter the code given and then you need to reset your password. And this time, reset your password that you will remember. And then you will be done. After creating your password, you will be taken to your account, and that's the way you can reset your account on Facebook Lite easily. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.